Hello dear Goenkans, welcome back to the video lectures for your computer subject. I hope your exam went well. Now today our topic is flowcharts. Flowchart is a pictorial representation of steps or an algorithm because we have already done with the algorithms. We know algorithm is basically step-by-step procedure how to solve a problem, and we know algorithms are written in simple language in simple and precise manner so that everybody can understand. Now flowchart is the pictorial representation of the steps, or we can say the algorithms that are used to solve a particular problem. To create a flowchart we use different kind of boxes which are connected to each other through flow lines. So as it is a pictorial representation, so let me show you all this through paint, that which boxes we use for what purpose. So let's just begin. The very first is these this kind of box. It is called start or stop box. These boxes are called start or stop box. Start or stop box. Whenever you write an algorithm, you use these boxes to start and you use this box to stop. So it is used in the beginning and end of the flowchart. The next is when you will start an algorithm, the next step is you will write some input or output. So for that we use the diagram, this kind of diagram, which is like a parallelogram. So here it's like this, and then we need just a sec, as I'm not doing a perfect drawing, so I'm just making you understand, so bear with me if the shapes are little. So this kind of box is used for input and output. The in this it is used for writing input and output. So whenever you want to write something as input, or you want to give output of the program, so we use these boxes for that purpose. So this is input or output box. The next box will be for after input and output in computer problems, we use then processing box. So for processing box, it's a simple rectangular box which is used for processing. So it is used for writing the processing instructions. Say for example, if we want to add two numbers, so I'll start with this box, and then I'll write my input in this box, and then for the processing instruction, the sum instruction, we'll write that in the processing box. In the processing box we write our sum instructions. So this is our processing box. The next is we have a decision box. Wherever there are two conditions, when your question depends on different conditions, we use this is called as condition box or decision box. In this condition box or decision box, we use this when we have more than two choices. It is used for checking or applying any condition in the program. Say for example, we have two conditions. If Ali is right, then do this, do something, and if Ali is wrong, then do something else. So we have this kind of instruction where we use decision box, where we have more than one condition, or we can write condition box. There are two names to it: decision box or condition box. After decision box and condition box, we use simple arrows for flow control. We use these arrows for flow control. We used to show that flow control is, we used to show where flow lines show the direction in which the program is moving. These arrows are used to connect the various geometrical shapes in these geometrical shapes which I have drawn on the screen. These arrows are used to connect these different kind of geometrical shapes. So next is when we are writing something and all of a sudden we stopped one part of the flow chart we have written on the one page, and the next part we cannot write on that page. It is just page has finished. So we can use this type of connector to show that we are still not done. This type of connector we can use to show that this is only one part of the program, rest we have to, you have to turn the page. So this is when this type of we show this type of connector, then this arrow can be in the direction of the next part of the flowchart. It's not necessary it has to be down arrow, it can be anywhere, it can be right, it can be left. So this is basically connector which is used to show where the program is going. So these were all the flowchart symbols that you must be knowing. This was for today. In the next topic we'll be seeing some simple problems of flowcharting. Thank you and take care.